Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on moving your photo library to an external drive or different location on Mac OS. This will work on both iMacs and MacBooks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Before we start, click on the Finder button at the top left of the screen and then choose Preferences. Click on the General tab where it says New Finder Windows Show. Select it and choose Mac from the list. This will make the process easier. Connect your external drive and open it in Finder. Now open a second Finder window. Open the Users folder. Open your User Account folder. Now open Pictures. This is your Photos library containing all your images from the Photos app. Simply drag it over and drop it in your external drive folder. Depending on how many photos you have, this could take a long time to copy. Once it has copied to your external drive, if you want to save space on your Mac, you can delete the original Photos library. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.